Welcome to Prince William County, Virginia's ePortal site. In this video, we're going to show you how to search for something such as a permit or a plan. In order to perform a search on the site, you do not have to have an ePortal account. You simply need to access the site and then click on the search button in the middle of the screen. From this screen, you can perform a search similar to a Google search. You can type in any word, number, date, contact name, etc. into the search box, and if you say you want to search all, it will look for the text within all modules. You can also decide if you want to search for an exact match or phrase or not by checking the exact phrase box. Let's go ahead and search for Potomac Mills. Since I have exact phrase checked, it will look for just those cases which have both Potomac Mills as the exact phrase within its content. If I had not checked exact phrase, it would look for any case that had the word Potomac and any case that had the word Mills. Once you've typed in what you're looking for, simply click on Search. The application will display all instances where the text you are searching for appears as an exact phrase. The match can be found anywhere on the case: the work class, the description, the project, the address, any custom fields, even contact names. You can click on the filtered results over here on the left to display just permits or plans or code cases, etc. By default, it sorts by relevance, but you can change the sort order by permit number, project, address, issue date, or final date. Please note, however, that if I change the filtered results from permit to plan, the sort order information changes slightly, since there is no final date or issue date on a plan, but instead you can sort by apply date. From the search results windows, you can click on the case number and it'll open up that case for you to review. You can also click on the little globe, and what that'll do is it'll open up the case in the map and indicate to you where that case is located. In addition, you can also export the results by clicking on the Export button. From the pop-up window, enter in an export file name, and you need to indicate whether you want to export the first 1,000 records or just the current page view. Please note that if the number of records returned is over 1,000, it will only export the first 1,000. So in those instances, you'll need to narrow your search results by adding additional criteria to get it under 1,000, then adjust it from there. For example, maybe enter a date range and then change the date range as you export the results. Click OK, and the data is currently being exported. Here's an example of what the exported data will look like. Now, if you want to search for within a specific module, just change the search from all to the module you want to search within. From here, simply fill in the search criteria you want to search for. In this example, we're searching for single-family dwellings that are issued in March of 2019. But as you can see, there are other fields you can search by as well, including the permit or plan description and address. If you're going to search by address, please remember to only enter the street number and street name. Do not enter any kind of street type. Once you're done filling in the fields, click on Search and your search results will appear below. You have the same options here as you did with the global search. You can change the sort order. You can open up the case by clicking the link. You can open up the case within the map, and you can even export the list. Now let's take a closer look at the map. If you click on map, it comes up like this. It usually zooms into the center of the county. You can either select a parcel, zoom in further and select a specific parcel, or you can type in an address in the search box. Remember, do not use street type. If you select or enter in an address, it will jump you down to the map of directly to the location of the address you typed in. You'll notice on the left-hand side, it provides you with the parcel number, owner, as well as all the cases that are related to that particular parcel. So there are 7 permits, 1 plan, 17 inspections, etc. related to this parcel that I was searching for. You can see the actual case numbers below, and you can select any of those case numbers and it'll open up that case. One of the nice features of this map is that you don't need to have an address or a parcel to find something. You can simply draw a line, a circle, or a square on the map and it'll pull the data that it finds within that area. To do that, click on this little icon that looks like 2 double arrows circling. Select what you want to use. In this case, I'm going to use a line. Then go to the map and draw your line. When you're done, it selects the parcels that you drew the line through. It tells you what the addresses are for those parcels. And then if you select any one of those parcels, it'll tell you how many permits, plans, inspections, etc. are related to that one parcel. You'll notice also at the top, it gives you a calculated total of what all of those parcels number of permits and plans. So 14314 Randall had 2 permits. So 2 out of these total 10 permits belong to this address. The other 8 are on the other addresses. This is a good tool to use if you're driving along the road and you see some construction going on in the corner of an area. You can come back to ePortal, look up that area, draw your line or circle, and see what's being constructed in that corner. This concludes the instructions on how to search.